removing and attaching the foot holder. Attaching the dual feet holder. Raise the needle by pressing the needle up-down button. Press the lockout key. Raise the presser foot lifter. Loosen the thumb screw and remove the foot holder. Attach the dual feet holder to the presser bar from behind. Tighten the thumb screw with your fingers. Push the dual feet link to engage with the upper feet driver. Lower the presser foot lifter. Lower the needle by turning the hand wheel. Tighten the thumb screw firmly with the screwdriver to secure the foot holder. Raise the needle and presser foot. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine. Press the dual feet key. Check to make sure that the confirmation message appears. Be sure the proper foot holder is attached to the machine. Press the close key.